For the poor-rated Crosstrek, whose test also applies to the Impreza sedan and Impreza wagon, there was more substantial intrusion of the B-pillar and interior door panels into the occupant compartment, encroaching on the survival space and contributing to a relatively high risk of torso injuries for the driver and rear passenger. The head of the driver dummy also moved downward past the side curtain airbag to hit the windowsill, indicating inadequate head protection. For the poor-rated Forte, measurements taken from the driver dummy indicated a high risk of injuries to the torso and pelvis and a relatively high risk of a head or neck injury. The driver dummy's head made hard impact with the windowsill through the side curtain airbag, and the structure of the occupant compartment was not maintained well, contributing to a moderate risk of injuries to the rear passenger's torso and pelvis. IIHS developed the updated side crash test after research showed that many of the real-world side impacts that still account for nearly a quarter of passenger vehicle occupant fatalities are more severe than the original evaluation. The updated side crash test uses a heavier barrier traveling at a higher speed to simulate the striking vehicle. Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.